Jamie here. I wanted to share with you how to change the filters in your Dyson air purifier. We are getting ready to change ours and thought, why don't I share it with you guys? So let's jump into it. Now you might ask, how do you know your filter needs to be replaced? Well, you can see by the indicator on your fan right there that both of your filters need to be replaced. Today I am changing the filters in my TP04, but these filters also work with several other models, and I'll put those on the screen for you so you can see, easy reference. I got mine from Dyson, and I also got one from Bed Bath & Beyond. The unit is straight, not tilted in either direction, straight up and down. We'll see the little notches, and you're going to push down on both sides at the same time. When you do that, the filter will just pop off just like that. We're going to throw the carbon filter away, which is the first one that's got the green, and then we're going to throw those in the trash. The next thing is to take the filter out of the casing. Notice that there are also tabs on each side, and I'm going to squeeze both of those in at the same time. When I do, that releases. Let's do it one more time. Again, tabs on each side, squeeze both of them in, that releases. Grab a microfiber cloth and you're going to dust down your unit really well, making sure to get all the debris out. Look at those filters before and after. Filters back into the fan. It just sits there. Then we're going to put our filter inside of our casing, and that's pretty simple as well. We're just going to take the filter. There's tabs on each side. We're going to line those up, pop them in there. You'll hear a click. Now we're ready for the final step, which is plugging it back up and resetting the filters. So turn it on, give it a minute, register, see how that's coming together. You can see that the filters still say that they have not been changed. That's because we have to reset it. So we're going to click the oscillation button, which is the one with both arrows there. Hold that for 5 seconds. Then after 5 seconds, you'll see a check mark. Then we're going to do the other filter. And for this one, we're going to hold the little half moon, and we're going to hold that for 5 seconds as well. 5. Now that one is reset. Both been reset, and we can see that by the 2 check marks above each filter. Now completed this, and we can use our fan. Did you know that you can use the Dyson Link app? I'm going to get the Dyson Link app. I have it on my phone and my iPads. I have 3 fans, as you can see here, and it's the same as if you were using the remote control, except you have more information at your fingertips. So by clicking those lines up in the left-hand corner, you can go to your machine settings and also access the user manual and also set up voice control. Then if you click the remote in the lower right-hand corner, that's where you can change your fan's settings. You can do everything in here except for turn your heat on, because obviously that's a safety concern. So check it out if you haven't. It's a great little app. So an exciting thing is, by getting the remote control on your phone, you can save yourself about $40. The remote control is actually $30 on Dyson's website, but it does cost you an additional, I think it's $9 in shipping. Yes, $9 in shipping. So, you know, that's something to consider. And you can also use it on your iPad. So I have this on my iPhones and on my iPad. And when it pops on, I just use that. You also can use it to set up schedules. The only thing you can't do is turn the heat on. All right, we got it back up and running. I hope this helped you out. And if you want to see more content on Dyson, just regular fans, or anything to do with the Dyson lineup, hit us up in the comments below and we'll check those out and maybe make a video on it in the future. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell so you can be notified about future videos. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching. See you soon.